Once we have a list of records we are interested in, we can run reports such as comparison tables to compare the data in the records. In this case, we have a list of tensile test records. Click Comparison Table, and then choose which data or attributes to include in the report. You can find attributes using the datasheet headings. In this case, we will compare some numerical data with units and some graph data. You can also type in attribute names. You can add record properties to the table, like the last modified date. In the comparison table, the records are listed down the left side, and the attributes along the top. We can save the values to an Excel report or a CSV file. The tensile response graph shows the stress at 0.1% strain. We see out of range when there is no data exactly at 0.1% because interpolation is turned off for this raw test data. The report also shows the tensile response curves for all of the records, plotted on the same graph. You can export the tensile response curves for all the records to a CSV file. We can use graph tools to filter which records appear in the graph. Choose which series to show and then update to your selection.